welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an Amazon haul. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon which I wanted to show you, and also I have a lot of PR that amazing brands send me. I definitely do unboxing and swatches of all the PR that I get, but I do it on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me. It's Malvika Sitlani official, and lots of fun things happen on my stories. Prepare to be entertained if you're following me. And for all of you who are not on Instagram or missed the story of the unboxing, I'm just going to show you a few things that the brand sent me. Okay, so this is going to be a super relaxed video. I'm just going to show you amazing makeup and some random things that I ordered from Amazon. And the first thing is this one. It says my weapons of choice, which is so me. It's got like blush and brush, and oh my god, this cup is amazing. I got it from Prop Shop 24. If you're looking for a good gifting item to a makeup lover, or like literally you get so many mugs. I wanted to order like 10-15 mugs. I'm just like, this is so me, this is so me. And they have some amazing mugs. So if you want some quotes or like something personalized, I think Prop Shop 24 is amazing. The only thing is their delivery time is like 10 days, 15 days, but I love this mug. It's my go-to now. Now these are items I've been contemplating for a while. I just put all of them in my cart and I never processed it. Does anyone do that? I do it a lot, and this time I was like, you know what, I'm just going to process it. I need these things. So the first item is the JBL portable Bluetooth speaker. I've been wanting a Bluetooth speaker for a long time now. Like, I thought I didn't want it, but I just, you know, when I get ready and stuff, I want music playing in the background. And laptop, I mean, it's not that loud. My phone is loud, but I wanted a speaker. And also something that I can carry everywhere I go, just throw it in my bag and stuff. And this is the speaker. It is brilliant, by the way. I tried it and it is so light and travel friendly. Look at this. Look at this color, by the way. It's pink. You get purple, blue, green, like black. Amazing. Okay, it's literally the size of my palm. You can carry this anywhere you go, throw it in your bag, take it to college. Don't take it to college, it might get confiscated, but take it anywhere you want on trips and like when you're going for a staycation. I love this. I love this, okay? And it plays decent. It's amazing. I mean, it's not the best Bluetooth speaker I've come across. I've heard better, but I mean, for me, this is all I really want. I didn't want something super crazy. I just wanted a nice Bluetooth speaker, and this is one of them. Again, amazing for gifting purposes. Trust me, all these items are amazing to gift someone. Okay, this is pretty damn cool. I'm gonna play something so you can hear. Love it. Okay, so amazing. It is so loud, it is so flippin' light, and it's love it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link down to all of these products, obviously, so you can buy it. Okay, the next order it's super random, but it's this Milton Thermosteel Stylish 500 water bottle. Now I've been using one water bottle for a very long time. I take it to the gym, I keep it here. I got it from my friend Sneh, my best friend. She sort of gave it to me, and it was the best water bottle ever. It still is, but I wanted to change. Yeah, I wanted some color in my life, so I got this. This is how it looks. It is fab. It's a little bit heavy, but again, it's a flask, so it keeps your hot drinks hot and your cold drinks cold, which I love because I put a ton of ice and I fill it up with cold water in the gym, and it's everything. Okay, this is your basic water bottle, but it comes in multiple colors and it's super stylish, and I don't know, I thought it's something I really wanted. And yeah, this is, it packs also, this packs 500 ml of beverage or whatever you have in it, which is enough for me. So yeah, I absolutely love this for like long days, especially when I'm just going out. I definitely make sure I put a bunch of ice and my favorite drink in it, and it lasts me the entire day because it's ice cold and stays fabulous. So if you're looking for a water bottle, this is it. I think recently I've been obsessed with drinking stuff, like stuff that you can drink from, because I got this sippy cup that I have been hunting for so long, and all of you told me Miniso is a good place to go, but I didn't get around buying it. I don't know why. I will definitely check the store out, but I got this. What is this? They sent me something else. I wanted a flat cover with crushed ice and in purple color, but they sent me whatever they wished and whatever they thought was available. This looks so kid-like. Yeah, like I mean, I'll take it since I've been hunting for it. It's fine, but I'm still on the hunt for something that has a normal decent cap. But I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, I don't want it. It's pretty dang cute, and it's got a straw that comes with it. Very nice to sip on. Again, I think it keeps your drink really hot or cold. It has 450 ml in it. I'm gonna have to check the hot and cold thing, but I mean, I like this to just sippy from it. So yeah, I love this. Again, amazing for gifting purposes. All right, so the next thing I got is what do you call this? Gym boxing strap. I don't even know what you call it, but this is the boxing LEW equipment. I don't know, this is just a random brand on Amazon that I went through. Now I do kickboxing, right? Boxing basically as part of my training. This is good to wrap your hand around it so that it gives you the grip, and also it protects your knuckles and your hand and gives you good stability when you're boxing. So I needed this one because the earlier one I called for completely, the threads were coming out because I boxed so much. So I needed this, and I got two because I got one for my trainer as well, since I think he lost his or something, so I just got two. So if you're into kickboxing, definitely Amazon has amazing gloves and everything amazing. So this is something I got. Okay, the next thing I got is this lamp. I don't shop for these things. I think I'm becoming older. I'm 26 and I'm like, I need home decor from Amazon. But this is something I need. I don't have a bed lamp in my room. Is that weird? Does anyone not have a bed lamp? I don't have a bed lamp in my room, and when I turn off the lights, it's pitch black. That's how I like to sleep. But you know, I want some dimness. I really am looking for scented candles because I want my room to be a little dim and have that cozy feeling. So I got this lamp. Obviously there's no bulb in it, but it's like a really nice, it's such a pretty thing. I don't know, I just like it. When I saw it, I knew I wanted it for my room. I'm gonna place it back there and it's gonna look stunning. Yeah, so if you're looking for some home decor, I think Amazon has pretty good stuff. Yeah, this is the first time I ordered something home decor-ish, and I really like it. You can see the length of it if you wish. It's like till here, till my boobies. But yeah, this is damn cute. It goes with everything. It's cream color. It has a slight wash of wood color. It's pretty. I can't wait to light this up. Okay, that's all I got from Amazon. I also got a tripod stand which my camera is on right now, so I don't know how to show you that, but it's a pretty standard tripod. I will have it linked down below if you are looking for a nice tripod. This one is amazing. I'll show it to you later, or I'll just link it down below. It's a basic tripod. Yeah, I'm just gonna move on to some PR items, some fun things that I got from amazing brands that send me all of this. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, all of you brands watching and send this to me. I appreciate you. This is fabulous. I still, when I get PR like on my doorstep, I'm just like, do I deserve this? Like, this is so sweet. So Pack has been sending me PR since I began my channel, and they've been supporting me all through, and vice versa. I really like them. Their products are a hit and miss, but I mean, just as people, as brand, they keep innovating. They come out with new things, which I love. Okay, so I got some liquid highlighters here. This is in the shade Silver Lining and Hotline Bling. So these two are it. Now what I've noticed, it swatches gorgeous. Okay, it swatches beautifully. I'm just gonna put both of them side by side so you can see. The Silver Lining is the white one, and the Hotline Bling is sort of the champagne one. It swatches beautifully. Like, I'm just going to run it through. It is just fab. So it's highly reflective, okay, but when I put it on my face, I was like, you know what, let me see. Mostly liquid illuminators are something you put underneath your foundation or mix it with your foundation. What I realized with this is that they pack some glitter on, okay. You can't see it in the swatch, but when you put it on top of your bare skin, which I did today, you can see the glitter in your face. It's not chunky or anything, but I don't know if you're going for that look. If you like that sort of a look, then this will be amazing. But I like more of a sheen, more of a glow from within sort of highlighter. So this didn't do that for me. This sort of really, you can see that there's chunky on your face. Not like chunky. It will look fab if you're not putting anything on your face, but if you just want some glow, just pack it on the high points of your face and everywhere, and it'll give you a good super reflective glow. But I don't know if I'm a fan of this yet. I still have to figure it out. Okay, so the next thing I got are these eyeshadows. Again, super reflective. These are the pressed pigmented eyeshadow. I have 3 shades here. There's red, there's golden, there's champagne. Now again, they swatch amazing. I did a story on these and they are phenomenal. Like, you can see, I'll show it to you. That is a swatch, and they're beautiful, okay? It looks stunning. But today I wanted to pack on this color on my eye today. This one, which is called Hail the Queen. I will swatch it for you, and it is blinding, okay? It's reflective, it looks gorgeous when you swatch it. But when I went to put this on my eyelid, I had firstly a lot of fallout. It just fell on my lashes, fell on my cheeks, all over. And secondly, it comes out as a dry glitter for some reason. It says pressed. It's supposed to stick on your eye without having to put anything underneath. But I realized that when I put the NYX glitter glue underneath, it did stick to my lid, but then it appeared to be really chunky. Does that make any sense? So yeah, I wish it stuck on its own without having to put anything underneath. It does end up being a dry glitter. So again, super reflective, looks amazing, looks brilliant. But again, I don't know if I'm a fan of how this applied. Now, I only tried the gold shade, so I have to yet try the red, the pink, and the champagne shade. Okay, something else I got is the Bobbi Brown Nude on Nude eye palette. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes all over. It is so beautiful, it is stunning, and it is luxurious. It feels so heavy, which I love. I mean, damn it. Some eyeshadows, trust me, some high-end eyeshadows just are a miss for me, a complete miss, okay? But this is not one of them. It is one of the good palettes I've come across. This is my color scheme, guys. This is something I can live with. I take that statement back because it has no orange, but this is something I can totally wear every single day of my life because it's what I'm wearing on my lid right now. Eyes, all over my eyes, and it is stunning, blends beautifully. It has the perfect shimmers, the perfect mattes. It's got a highlighter. It's beautiful, it's amazing. So if you're looking for a neutral high-end palette, this is something that I got, and it's fabulous. Okay, I have 3 more items here, and then we can end this video. Another PR I always get is from Huda Beauty, so thank you so much for sending these to me. This is the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. So this is the Obsessions palette. Look at how beautiful she looks firstly, and different colors, stunning. Okay, you open firstly the PR packaging, 10 on 10 for that, because it is so compact, but it packs on so many. Here. It packs on so many eyeshadows, and look at this. It is beautiful. Okay, so this is it. I'm missing the red one. I don't know where I kept it, but this is how it looks. It is stunning. It's got all the eyeshadows you will ever need. I don't know if this is available on Nykaa, guys. I am not sure yet, but I will check and I will leave a link down below because these are their newest launches. So this is how it looks. It comes with a mirror, and this is the color. It's got your basic shimmers, your basic mattes that you will need to create a full look or a normal look. So absolutely stunning. So this is one of them. This is the Amethyst Obsessions. I have done looks with this palette, so if you want to check it out, it's on my Instagram. Gorgeous. Oh my god, this is the Sapphire Obsession. Look at the honey. Next video. It's gorgeous. And then we have the Emerald Obsession, which I'm not a fan of green, but look at the colors, man. Look at the beautiful colors in this, and they swatch beautifully, they blend beautifully, so I'm a big fan. Thank you, Huda, for sending this to me, Huda Beauty's team. Along with the Colourpop order and the rest that I called from the US, there's one more thing I called for, which is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe The Vault. This has 4 palettes in it. This is so Jaclyn Hill, by the way. It is so stunning. Silver and white is her thing. I have been following Jaclyn Hill from I don't even know how long, and she's been it for me. She's such an amazing beauty guru and just like has so much knowledge about makeup, and so I trust her recommendations. And if she happens to create makeup, honey, I'm buying it. Okay, so these are 4 palettes she created. It's called The Vault. So this is the original Jaclyn Hill palette that I got very long back. It's still date one of my favorite palettes to use. She said that the colors that did not make it to this palette have come in The Vault. So I'm going to show you each palette because they are stunning, okay? So the first one is Bling Boss, which I yet have to try, and it's one of my most favorite palette. Look at this, it's so stunning. It's got all the amazing plums and purples. Then I have the Armed and Gorgeous, which is again your basic olive and orange, and such beautiful. Trust me, it swatches beautifully, it blends amazing. Then I've got the Dark Magic palette, which looks something like this, something I rarely would go for, but again, stunning. This vault is all you will ever need. If you can just buy the vault, you are sorted. And I ordered these from the US. Okay, this is the Ring the Alarm palette, which is again one of my favorites because it's got my neutrals, basically my warm orange, not my neutrals, my oranges, my warms. It's got the cherry. I ordered this from the Morphe Brushes website to New York, and someone got it down for me. You can check the shipping and customs and everything because I am not aware of how Morphe delivers or if they deliver to India at all. But this is stunning. I've got all 4 palettes that I will ever need, so I can't wait to play with this. So much makeup to play with. Okay, so the last product that I'm going to show you guys, because that's all I have I guess, is the Life's a Drag Luna Beauty palette. This is Manny MUA's brand, Luna Beauty, and this is so huge. It's amazing. Again, I called for this to the US and someone got it down for me. It looks something like this. This is Manny's eyes, which, oh honey, stunning. And these are the colors, which are so dang beautiful. Again, it's everything you will ever need in a palette. It's got your colors, it's got 2 shimmers and your neutrals. I have yet to try this palette out. I have not dug into this, but I am waiting to. I want to create looks with these colorful eyeshadows. I love the concept of this palette. And I love Manny, and I've been following him for a while now. Apart from the controversy, I'm not going to get into any of it. The whole beauty YouTube space is in shambles right now, but I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to play with makeup, and Manny is extremely talented and he knows his stuff. Besides all of that, and he created a fab palette which has already amazing reviews, so I just cannot wait to play with it and try it for the sole purpose of the makeup and the fact that I've been following Manny for years now, and he's an amazingly talented person. So alright guys, that's all I have for you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I love you guys so much. The links of all this will be down below. I love you. Mwah. Bye.